I recently discovered a tea that not many people know about that could only be made during a short period in spring. The recipe is really easy to make, and it even helps boost our immune system. Warm or cold, it is so pleasant. The smell reminds me of all the flowers that arrive in spring. In this video, I will show you how to forage redbuds and prepare it for tea. I really like to have it cold once spring approaches because it reminds me of a refreshing lemonade. The best time to have this drink is during the spring because that is when the redbud trees bloom. Redbud trees are really easy to spot. They are a beautiful bright pink color. The blossoms have a wonderful balance of sweet and sour taste because it's high in vitamin C. Always be careful when foraging because some other tree flowers can be toxic. The taste of the blossoms get a little bit sweeter once the flower opens, but you can still have them when they're closed, although they may be a little bit bitter. The blossoms come off of the branch really easily, and I usually bring something to carry them in, but you only need about 3 tablespoons of flowers for 1 cup of tea. The bottoms of the redbuds are a bit bitter, so if you would like to have a perfectly sweet cup of tea, take them off. I personally do not mind them. Then chop up the flowers so the water has contact with more surface area and is able to absorb more nutrients. Pour some water into a saucepan to heat up, and then add your redbud flowers. Make sure not to bring the water to a boil because you could lose nutrients that way. Ginger is also really good with this tea. If you would like to add it, now is a good time. I then let it sit for about 15 minutes. I then filter out the flowers. I then add half of a lemon and watch the tea magically turn to a beautiful pink color. Without adding citrus, it's a pleasant green color. The more citrus you add, the pinker it gets. And then you can pour it into cups. I then usually add a little bit of honey to my tea to sweeten it up. After stirring well, you have yourself a wonderful spring tea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.